Hello, and welcome to Money Maximized. Today, we are going to talk about how to raise capital, the number one skill of an entrepreneur. Raising capital is a crucial skill for entrepreneurs looking to start or grow a business. Effective capital acquisition ensures that you have the financial resources needed to fund operations, invest in growth, and navigate challenges. Here are key strategies for mastering the skill of raising capital. Create a solid business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business model, market analysis, revenue projections, and growth strategy. Clearly articulate how the capital will be used and the potential return on investment for investors. Build a strong network. Cultivate relationships with potential investors, mentors, and other entrepreneurs. Attend networking events, industry conferences, and join business associations to expand your connections. Understand your funding options. Explore various funding sources, including traditional bank loans, venture capital, angel investors, crowdfunding, and government grants. Understand the pros and cons of each funding option and choose the one that aligns with your business needs and stage. Demonstrate traction. Show evidence of market demand and customer interest in your product or service. Provide data on key performance indicators, KPIs, and milestones achieved to instill confidence in potential investors. Craft a compelling pitch. Develop a concise and compelling pitch that highlights your business idea, value proposition, and potential for success. Clearly communicate the problem your business solves and how it differentiates itself in the market. Mitigate risks. Be transparent about potential risks and challenges your business may face. Demonstrate a clear plan for mitigating these risks and reassure investors about your ability to navigate obstacles. Showcase your team. Highlight the skills and experience of your management team. Investors often invest in the team as much as the business idea. Emphasize any industry expertise, relevant achievements, or successful ventures of team members. Be open to feedback. Listen to feedback from potential investors and be willing to adapt your business plan based on their insights. Demonstrate your ability to learn and pivot in response to market dynamics. Legal and financial preparedness. Ensure your business is legally and financially prepared for investment. Have clear financial records and legal structures in place. Work with legal and financial professionals to navigate the complexities of fundraising. Persistence and resilience. Raising capital can be a challenging and time-consuming process. Stay persistent and resilient in the face of rejections and setbacks. Learn from each interaction and continuously refine your approach. Mastering the skill of raising capital involves a combination of strategic planning, effective communication, and relationship building. It's an ongoing process that requires adaptability and a keen understanding of the unique needs and expectations of potential investors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.